going to show you how to perform daily task on Niki Live app. So if you want to access your daily task on Niki Live app, you will log into your account, then go tap on me is down here. That is the last page. So we have live, we have post, we have clubs, we have chats, we have me. So if you tap on me, then you'll see your about yourself. You can see your followers, your people you're following, friends, coins you have, beans you have. You can see your level, then task. After level we have task. So under task you'll just tap on that arrow, then it will direct you to where you're supposed to perform tasks. So we have daily task, we have live task, and we have play tasks. Play tasks are where you play games. So we have different daily tasks that you're supposed to perform for you to achieve your daily goal. So you will be seeing the total amount of rewards in dollars that you're supposed to receive upon completing all the daily tasks that you're supposed to do. So once you've completed, you'll be told you got there is a notification that you'll get from the system. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So if you check on the charts, you'll get a notification from the assistant. So right there you'll be told that you've managed to complete a certain task, and you'll be told to receive it. So you'll open your task page, then click on receive. So if it is unreceived, you'll see undone. So okay, if it is undone, you'll see undone. Then if it is done but not received, this icon will be blue, and you'll see receive. Then after it has been received, you'll be able to see received. So let me show you, like right here, this is done task, party room on a mic. Like you can join any party, live party, like you can join any live for 30 minutes, then you'll be able to claim these rewards. So once you've received the rewards, you'll see gray received, like this one right here. So that is what I mean. So if the task is done but not received, this place will be blue. So you need to check on your task. So once you perform the task, you should be receiving your reward. So we have post moments and get featured. So here you can just post. So you have to post so if you want to post, just come here, then click on post, then you tap on, you'll be able to see different posts, just the way you do on any other social media. We have different posts you can just post. Okay, for you to post, after you'll tap on that plus icon, then you'll be able to see whether you can post a picture, you can post a video, or you can do the recording, live recording, or even live Snapchat. So that is it when it comes to posting. So it's just simple. Then again, we have many tasks that you can perform on a daily basis. So we have party room. You stay on a live party, like someone's live for 30 minutes, and again receive anchor recommendation cards, require 300 sheets. You can see the what a maximum amount that you'll be able to receive. Then again, complete club task to gain prestige points. You can see this is not done. So once it is done, you'll be able to see receive with the blue color here. So once you've received it, it will be taken direct to your account. Then you can see obtain honor combat card. Then you'll get this reward as stated here. Then win the live pick a value of this 15,000 coins. Then party room on mic 57. Okay, you can be on mic for maybe 60 minutes, that is an hour, for you to get all this. So yeah, so that is it, guys, when it comes to daily task. Then again, we have live task On live task, you'll be able, okay, on a daily broadcast maximum reward, you can get even up to $24. So that is if you are live yourself. If you want to go live, you just tap on go live right here. So you go live, you can go live yourself. You can see there what you'll be rewarded in beans form. Remember, beans is the one being exchanged into cash, into dollars, I mean. So you can see what you can earn or what you earn according to the level you're in. So you can go live today for 60 minutes for you to achieve this. So that is it when it comes to live. Then again, we have play. We have different games that you can play. Play gift wheel. So as you play too, you can gain some, you'll get some rewards as you play the games. So we have different games that you can play and achieve your daily target. So that is it when it comes to doing daily task, or when it comes to performing tasks. That is all that you are to know. So for more, make sure you follow me, you subscribe to my channel if you're watching me on YouTube. See you in my next video.